Good. Hello everyone. I'm Savan Patel, and today I'm going to walk you through our code for Mini Project 3. So, to obtain the necessary data set for model training and testing, the Cypher 10 data set from TensorFlow will be downloaded. Next, to avoid running into Google Colab RAM issues, only 50% of the data will be used. To prep the dataset for model training, the input feature was converted from integers to float and normalized, and the output feature was one hot encoded. Next, the model will be set up in order of con 2D, activation, max pooling 2D, flatten, dropout, dense, then compile and fit using the early stopping. So this is our model, sequential model, and the score we got for this model is over here. The accuracy score we got is 0.773. The precision score we got is 0.777. Recall score is 0.773, and F1 score is 0.771. And these are the images. So for the image one, it was cat, and the model predicted cat. Image 3, the image was bird, and the model predicted a deer. And image 5 was an airplane, and the model predicted airplane. Now Paneri will take over.
Moving on to the model that uses transfer learning, the input features are first resized from 32 into 32 to 64 into 64. Then similar processes are going to be taken to prep the dataset for the model. Once prepped, we will load the dataset in the pre-trained VGG16 model, then add the pre-trained models layer into the model, freeze weights of each layer, add dense layers, then compile and fit the model. The accuracy score for part 2 is 0.7124, precision score is 0.7125, recall score is 0.7124, and the F1 score is 0.71142. For image 4 is an automobile and the model predicted a automobile. For image 5, it is a airplane and the model predicted a airplane. And now Malo will walk you ahead. Thank you.
After both models were trained, its precision, F1 recall and classification report is printed. To further analyze the models, 5 images from the test dataset and predicted dataset are printed along with its actual and predicted label. Comparing both models' score, the model that did not use transfer learning performed better with the precision score of 0.77, while the model that used transfer learning performed with a precision score of 0.71. As for the problems that we encountered while we were trying to resize X-train X-testis image dimension from 32x32 to 64x64, we kept running out of RAM. We learned that using transfer learning to train a model does not ensure a better performing model. Thank you.